Hey, my name's Tim. We're here today to work on the Apostolic Truth Church lettering outside of the church. We are here to work on cutting letters out of aluminum. We're going to make them 1/8 inch thick. We're going to cut them out. We're going to make them 3D. Then what we're going to do is once we have them laid out on the computer, we're going to take them over to the table. We're going to cut the parts out of the flat, basically the flat letters right now, but we're going to cut out the shape of them. We're going to put edges on them so they can bend down. It'll save us some welding. And anywhere we can't bend, we're going to have to weld. We have to form around the letters. For example, if you come over here, you can see we have our first letter cut out. This is our first one. We ran a trial. So this is the A for Apostolic Truth Church right here. This is what we're going to be looking for to finish. So we have a lot of work to do. We're going to also roll and bend. So we'll talk about the processes later about the bending and rolling. So we've got these letters cut out. They're 1/8 inch thick. If you can see, the thickness is 1/8 inch. We cut out 2 letters. We only need 1. Basically, these are going to be like this, one above the other, and we have to do a 3-inch wrap all the way around. And we're going to weld all the way around, grind it all off flush. And when we get done, it's going to look like this A over here. This is the finished product. So we had 2 flat A's that we had to do, and we had to do a wrap of 3-inch all the way around. So this is a bend right here. It's welded solid on top and all down the back.
We cut the letters out with a plasma cutter, and with what is left over from the sheet, they use a metal shear that cuts the sheet to 3 inches, because the letter is going to be in a 3-inch depth, and so they're using as much as we can out of one sheet as possible with limited waste.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to bend some metal. Basically, the edge of those letters, anywhere we have a straight portion, if we can do a bend on it, it's going to save us a lot of work. Rather than welding the whole corner, we're going to bend it anywhere we can. This machine right here is a Cincinnati CB175. It's 175 tons of pressure that comes down and bends metal. It won't need that much for this aluminum, but that's what it's capable of doing. It's a 12-foot bed that goes open 17 inches of play. We've got different controls on the side here to be able to control how far up and down it goes. But right now we're going to set it up for 1/8 inch, and we're going to bend it. So for example, this is your punch. So the punch is the thing that pushes down and pushes the metal into a die. This is the die. This particular die is 1 inch diameter. It's made for doing 1/8 inch material. So basically what I do is I run the pedal, and I can control up and down the control of the metal. So I get it down close, I'll slide my metal in. And once the metal's in, we have a back gauge. This is the back gauge back here. I can set the back gauge in and out and up and down to get to the metal. I'm going to be doing a 3-inch bend on all these letters. So once I get it set at 3 inches, I get my metal slid in there. I'll be able to hit the pedal. It'll go down, bend the metal up, and then be ready for the next bend. With this machine, we are gonna set up, this is a Lown roller. It'll bend 1/4 inch thick, 5 feet wide. So we gotta set it up to get the metal thickness correct so that it pinches the metal and draws the metal inward. So it's got adjustments in the bottom to run the bottom roll up to the top. The top roll is a fixed roll. In the back, there's a third roll. And that third roll, the closer it is, the more it'll wrap tight to this one. The further away it is, the more it'll do a nice gradual arc. So now we're setting the nip right now, and then we're gonna set the back roll so that we can roll these and make the O's for Apostolic Truth Church.